Hello to you my fashion lovers, you're welcome back again to Nail Vibes, the channel as you always know that gives you the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So in case I see my channel or my video for the very first time, or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. So my gorgeous prince, come this Christmas, I've made some good, unique and trendy nail art designs for you to choose from. So watch the video to the end in order for you to choose the best Christmas nails to make on your nails, just as a plan for your Christmas trip and holidays. And as you watch the video, kindly support it by hitting the like button, okay? Like the video and feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones. And you can also save it for a later use. And at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and give me your lovely comment about this video, okay? To my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you for always coming back to watch my videos and engage. Trust me guys, your effort in my channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.